Hi, this is Robin Hart with eXp Realty, and today we are outside of our listing at 205 North Wild Olive. This is a triplex investment property. It has a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in the front and is scheduled to have 2-bedroom, 2-bath units in the back. It's currently under construction and under renovation and listed at the under renovation price, and that price will change as the work progresses. Somebody who gets in now will have the opportunity to make some customizations and could potentially change this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home into a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. So some things to consider and a great opportunity to get in before it becomes more of a bidding situation.
What's the renovation timeline looking like?
The renovation timeline is looking about 60 to 90 days. So from about August 18th, we're waiting on another permit, and then the construction in the back should start. So this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house is going to be almost new. It's going to have all new windows. It's already got a new roof, but it still needs the soffits and so forth. All new plumbing and electric have been run from the street to both this property as well as to the one about to be built. And it's going to have concrete hardie board on the outside, and we'll show you that over there on the side. Right now it is scheduled to have mini splits for the AC. I have been getting a lot of questions asking about central AC. If that's something that you wanted, now would be the time to make an offer and have it put in before it's completed. So let's take a look around. So here you have some decking. All the decking is going to have this Trex type style decking. It's already got it here, and it's going to go across the rest of that. These windows are going to change. It's going to be a little bit more centered. The wall inside is going to come out, so there's going to be some changes to the layout inside as well. And then I'm just going to kind of take you around back and show you what's happening outside. So next door is a project that he completed previously. This one is already sold and is available for somebody else to purchase. But this is going to kind of show you what some of the renovations look like. And we're going to go through the back just to get to the back in just a second. But here I want to point out the hardie board that's getting put along the side. Just kind of got it there as an example to show what's going to be there. So here at 215 North Wild Olive, you kind of get an idea of some of the quality of the construction that's going to happen next door. So you can see that they have nice quality stairs that are built to last. And you also have concrete hardie board here that's going to be similar to what's going to happen next door. Okay, so here's where a lot of the confusion lies. So this is the previous structure, and in order to keep this existing setback and make it almost new, they had to lift this up on stilts and put footers down so that they could build the bottom section, which is going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, and that should start about mid-August. That's going to start getting completed. Once that is completed, that top structure will come off and a brand new structure will be put inside, and new roof, new electric, new plumbing, all new interior finishes. Some of the decking back here has already been done. Again, you'll have concrete hardie board throughout. You have 3 electric meters, 1 water, an outside shed where you can have laundry, and the fencing is all new. Right now the fencing joins together, but it's made to where you can separate your own, which you can see is kind of right here. So in total, the way it is set to be completed, you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit up front and 2 2-bedroom, 2-bath units in the back for a total of 7 bedrooms and 6 baths.
Is there a guesstimate of the total rental income from the property?
So the one next door here, which is 2-bedroom, 2 baths and a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. The 2-bedroom, 2 bath over here is getting $2,200. That was furnished, so we would like to estimate somewhere between $1,700 and $2,200 for that. And should this area ever become rezoned for short-term rental, this was used as a short-term rental in the past and made $14,000 a month during the high season. So it could be a great opportunity for somebody to get in on a short-term rental when it does happen.